Hi, I'm Monique with Walker Tape, and today we're talking about using water-based adhesives. Step 1. Perform a patch test to make sure Great White reacts well to your client's skin. For specifics on patch tests, visit the link in the screen. Step 2. Measure where to bond by having your client wrinkle their forehead. This ensures you don't cover up natural expressions. Step 3. Clean your client's scalp with 99% alcohol. Step 4. Apply Max Hold Sport to your client's skin where you intend to bond. This adds a layer of protection. Plus, it allows your clients to skip the 24-hour waiting period before showering, swimming, and working out. Step 5. Spread a thin, even coat of Great White. This is the easiest to do with sponge brushes. Step 6. Wait until Great White dries and turns clear. You can use a blow dryer to speed up the process if your client prefers. Step 7. Repeat the previous 2 steps to apply a second coat. Step 8. Prepare the hair system for install with one last wipe down of 99% alcohol. Step 9. Press the hair system onto your client's scalp and hold firmly in place for 10 seconds. For a more detailed guide to using water-based adhesives, visit walkertapeco.com.